In this video, I want to share a big perk of making money online. What I do is about way more than just the money, and I'll show you proof. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online full-time for years, and I love it. The money can be great, but there's one more thing that my wife Barbara and I really treasure. And before I explain it, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too. I post multiple new videos every week, and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So if you are like most people checking out the home business industry, you are looking for a way to make more money, that's your driving force. And I get it, I used to feel the same way too. But let me tell you about the big perk that means even more to us now. It's what I call time freedom. See, I haven't worked a real job in over 20 years. I have the free time to do the things that I want to do whenever I want to do them. I ski most days in the winter, and I sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at their job dreaming of something better. Let me show you proof of how special this can be. Check out this picture behind me. Barbara took this Friday morning at about 10 o'clock from our dock here at our home on Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. If I had been tied up at a job, we would have missed it. Just a few minutes later, the sun burned through and it looked entirely different. Just think about how many small things like this you miss when you do not have the luxury of time freedom. Think about how many big things you miss too. Imagine never having to say, "I'm sorry, we can't make it. I have to go to work today." Mark my words, it's a perk you will cherish once you have it. So how do you capture both money freedom and time freedom too? Well, here's what I think is the number one easy way to make money online in very minimal time, and that's even if you are a beginner. It harnesses the power of automation to leverage your time. It's something you can do in just a few hours per week at a schedule you choose, and because it's all done online, you can do it from just about anywhere. I even do it while I'm out sailing or skiing. Now that's time freedom. It's super simple, no previous experience is needed. It's ideal for busy people. Our team has folks from all over the world making significant money following our simple, proven system, and most have never done anything like this before. The only skills you need are the ability to use email and copy simple instructions. When you team up with us, you will be joining the fastest growing home business in the entire industry. We have a powerful pay system that helps you make money fast. This is very affordable. It is the lowest price home business I know of. And in case you're wondering, no, it is not one of those MLM things where you have to purchase a bunch of products every month. I hate that nonsense. A key part of what makes this such an easy way to make money online is that our team gives you everything you need. We give you a complete and powerful sales funnel. Many new people make money their very first day with it. You will get your own landing or lead capture pages, powerful sales pages, and a professionally written email series ready to email out to your list, all on autopilot. You will have the same sales funnel that I use, but personalized to brand and promote you. You do not need to create anything. You can start making money today. We have terrific, easy to follow training, and I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. Just copy what we do, and you can start getting paid every week by direct deposit. And you can get paid recurring or passive income too. You know, money that can keep coming in month after month for what you do each day. And again, it's not just about making money, but creating time freedom too. To learn more about this easy way to make money online, go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.